injured bird and it was all tangled up. Got it untangled. It got a little cut on its face. I think it'll be okay. It's all right. There you go. There it goes. There it is. I think it'll be okay. It had a cut on its face, so I doctored it up and gave it some water and some food. It drank the water. I just didn't want my cat to get it. Aw, look, it looks like it's gonna be okay. It's kind of confused. It looks like it's confused. Aw. Yeah, it was all tangled up. So I got it free and it looks like it's gonna be all right. I love how they eat the bugs off the trees. It's not really flying off though. I hope it's okay. Kind of act like it was injured. As long as it can fly away and it don't fall on the ground or the cat will get it. Sure is cute. So I put the cat up and I feed the birds too. I'm just a softie, what can I say? It's not really going anywhere. I hope it's okay. I mean, it flew from that tree over here, so I'm assuming it'll be okay. Yeah, and the whole top part of its face between the eyes was cut open. And believe it or not, I mean, he screamed when I picked him up, but he let me pick him up. He wasn't scared of me. And then I doctored him up. He seemed to be okay. He seemed to calm down. I gave him some water and then I was like, he looks like he's okay, so I should just let him go. I'm kind of watching, make sure he flies off. Maybe I get under the tree. He kind of acts like he can't really fly very far. Like he got injured or something. I really hope my cat didn't get him. He was on the inside of the porch and he kept ramming into the screen, and then he got on that porch swing. Here comes my friends, the turkeys. Gosh, it's gonna be a gorgeous day. No wind today. I'm so tickled. So it's mating season and the turkeys are like mating. Most of the females have been mated already and they are off to raise their little young. Look at my friends here. They're not even scared of me. These are wild turkeys. Oh, the bird's still up there. I'll keep an eye on it. Hopefully it'll go on. Be okay. Wendy at Hardneck Farms.